Okay, this is a video on how to swap out your throttle grip assembly on your 5-in-1 SGS multi-tool. For this you're going to need the double-ended screwdriver on the Phillips side, the double-ended spanner 8 and 10mm, 4mm Allen key and the 5mm Allen key. All of these are in your kit box that you received when it was new. So the first thing we'll do is remove the air filter cover and the air filter. Disconnect the bullet connectors from the power switch to the ignition coil. It's just pull out, just be careful not to break them. Just like that. Then using the 10mm spanner on the locking nut on the top of the throttle cable, loosen that one off. Pay attention to where it's sat so it keeps your throttle at the same level when you put it back together. Push the lever over and hold it in place. It's a little bit fiddly, so your cable will pop out at the top. You need your screwdriver just to poke it out of the way. Like that. Flick that off out of the way and let that relax back. Then with the 8mm, you can disconnect the cable from the carb. Put that out of the way. Unhook the cable from the holder on the side. And thread the cable and the wires out of the way. Then we'll move on to this side. Loosen the 5mm bolt, just a couple of turns, and then the 4mm you need to completely remove because it goes all the way into the shaft. Twist the handle and the shaft out. Sometimes the internal shaft can be still stuck in, this one it isn't. Loosen the two large Phillips screws, these hold the grip on. That's your throttle grip removed. Then we just refit the way we're just taking it off. Slide the throttle grip back on, all the way up to the bracket, leave that loose for now. Slide the shaft back in. Sometimes you have to wiggle about a little bit to get the internal shaft to line up with the gear assembly inside. Just like that. Then line up the hole in there with the hole in the shaft. Screw back in. Tighten it back up. Don't over tighten it, just a quick pinch. And retighten the 5mm. Make sure that is central. Tighten up those two Phillips screws that you undid. Again, don't over tighten them because it's just plastic. Thread the cable and the electrical wires back through the cowling, up alongside the air filter housing. Clip the cable back behind into that metal clasp there. Thread the cable back inside there. tighten that back into place using the 8mm. If you leave that nut where you was, you should be about right for where it was originally set. Normally we say about halfway through, so it's equal each side. And 10mm lock that nut back over, it just stops it from adjusting itself. Then slide that lever back over, a bit fiddly again. Drop the cable into the slot, and then it come back, and if you've got it in the right place, it should drop in just like that. Reconnect the bullet connectors, black to black, red to red. Make sure the weather sleeves are all tucked in together. Cover with the protective heat sleeve. And just tuck your wires back in behind the cable. Refit your air filter, the air filter cover. Ready to go.